Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energy starting from 18th till 24th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Okay, so let's get started with my Capricorns from 18th till 24th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Capricorn, 18 till 24th, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started with your reading now. Capricorn. So overall energy for you in this reading is the Five of Wands. So this could be a feeling of being in a situation where you always find some or the other kind of conflicts in life. Okay, all of a sudden, you might be dealing with somebody who is opposing you. People might be opposing your choices. People might be opposing whatever opinions you might be having. So this is a time where you are not feeling that whatever your opinions are, as I already told you, they are encouraged by other people around you. So this is why you might be involved in the conflicts, or you are wanting to involve in some kind of conflicts, but you don't know whether to involve in these kind of conflicts or not. We will clarify it in a bit later. Okay, in the past energies, we have Ace of Wands, Eight of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. This is some kind of a new opportunity which came towards you. It could be a bold and optimistic move, or a situation, or just a thing which just came towards you. It's really very passionate. You were really passionate about it, but somewhere you had this thing in mind that if I will go towards this thing, this passionate thing, I might face some consequences. So because of that, you started feeling stuck in that situation, and you were in a feeling of, when we lack self-confidence sometimes, so you were in that position where you lacked self-confidence and you were feeling helpless, because you knew that that situation is pretty good. It is good. It is very passionate. It is new. It is encouraging. It is bold, but you do not know whether you should be involved in that situation or not. So I think you just stepped back from that situation. You paused, basically. Okay, so we'll clarify what all these things are. In the present, we have Eight of Swords, Five of Swords and the Dreamer, which is the Fool card. So this could be a strong feeling of as I told you, that you are feeling that you have to be involved in some conflicts because of the Five of Wands in your overall reading. So it's the Five of Swords in the present energy. So definitely you didn't want to involve in these kind of conflicts, but you somehow got involved. You somehow, you were just asking for justice, or you were just asking for, like, listen to me. But rather than that, what exactly happened? People started pushing you away. People started laughing at you, and you are really figuring out what exactly happened, and you are figuring that thing only. Okay, with the Dreamer energy in the present, I really feel that this is the universal card for you to just push yourself. Okay, just push yourself for a new start, push yourself for a new beginning. Might be there are options, might be there's a door open. See how I just saw this door, opened door. I don't know, but all my energies, all my eyes were on this opened door. So yeah, definitely there's an open door in front of you, but what exactly you are going to do, whether you will pass through that door or you are going to stay in on your side only. So that is up to you. In the coming future, we have Seven of Swords, Page of Cups, and the Three of Swords. So this is some kind of an entrapment, I would say, where you were in the past, you are still feeling, and in the coming future also, there is a feeling of being really sensitive to criticism. Okay, you might be the one who might be feeling this way, or your person or the other person in front of you could be the one. So there are communications which are coming up in the future, but that might not be good because of the of not being in the same page. Okay, if you are waiting for some kind of a communication like this, so I would suggest you that either do not communicate or just make up your mind that this thing might not go well with somebody or whosoever you are trying to communicate with. Let me clarify your energies now. Okay. Tell me more about the Five of Swords, please, for my Capricorns. Magician, Two of Swords, and Ten of Cups. So over here on positivity is really required, Capricorns. It doesn't mean that you have to be always confused about a situation. Why should you be confused? Why there's confusion? Why there are two paths in front of you? Why you are not coming up into one thing? Why? It's not like that you are not getting support of your family. No, you are getting that. There is love around you. Okay, love is not an issue. If you are not able to find love from one person, there are other people who actually love you. So try to enjoy that. Okay, you do not need one person to love you, honestly, because it's like what you're manifesting you are getting. If you're manifesting that people do not love you or there's one person who doesn't loves you, you are getting that. Okay, so do not try to focus on only one person at a time. Try to focus on a whole group. That's interesting. Okay, so tell me more about the Ace of Wands in the past. I want to know about this Ace of Wands. Was it good? Was it bad? What exactly about it? Ace of Wands, please. Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Lovers. So definitely this thing came as a blockage to you. The more it was like I don't know the English term of that. In Hindi, it's called daldal. Okay, the more you go into deep into it, the more it tries to. Sorry, the more you want to come outside of that, the more it brings you inside. Okay, so it's that kind of a thing. So this was the situation. The more you wanted to come out of that situation, the more it digged you in. It just trapped you inside it because you felt passionate about it, you felt happy about it, but it was not a happy thing. It looked happy from outside, but it wasn't. Okay, that was the truth. That is the truth. I feel that you know this. You know and you accept it now. Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles in the past. Nine of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Page of Cups. It definitely ended, or the ending was something which you wanted to happen, or you wanted things to end just by itself. You always asked universe to just end all these things by yourself, please. And I really feel that when the situation started to happen in front of you, you always paid attention towards it. You always felt that feeling of carefulness in the situation. I don't know, but there might be some trust issues with this person or the situation, but you always had something like something is fishy, something is not good with this thing. I really feel attached to it, but this attraction is temporary. This attraction is not worth it. Okay, so tell me more about the dreamer energy in the present. Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Wow. So definitely there are some new energies coming up since the dreamer, the Fool energy. Along with that, we have Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. So definitely there's a new energy around you. This could be in regards with money, finances. It could be in regards with something new happening to you yourself from within only. Okay, because whatever the new start is, this is something new which is coming, which is happening in your life, but it will bring happiness, it will bring some clarity in your life as well, because you are accepting things around you. I really feel that this is you, Capricorn. See how beautifully this person is just lying over there and having a glass of wine and enjoying the fruits which she is getting. So yeah, I feel happy for her, because sometimes we really want to be like this. So this is the time where you can be like this lady. Tell me more about the future energies with the Seven of Swords. Page of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and Three of Swords. Yeah. This is more like a self-deception to me, since we have the Seven of Swords and the Three of Swords. I really feel that this does not involve with someone else. Although we have a third party situation over here with the Three of Swords two times in the future energies. But still, along with that, there is a feeling where what I feel that you know about something, either you are not accepting it or you are not you're just ignoring it. You're not able to accept the situations which are happening around you, and you want clarity, but how will this clarity come until unless you will not accept it? Tell me more about the Three of Swords. Star, Five of Wands, and Four of Pentacles. There's some kind of a reconciliation which is pending. How could I say that? But it is more like a situation which is a reconciliation which was about to happen, which might happen again, but you need to think before you take any decisions in the future, Capricorns, because some things are meant to happen because universe wants them to happen. So do not try to bend things or to mold things your way. They might not be good for you. That is why universe is not giving you. All right. So sometimes you have to understand that if things are not happening, the way you want them right now, so this could be a message to you that those are not the things which you should get right now. You might get them, you might get those things, but this is not the perfect time, maybe later. Okay, so whatever the universe is trying to tell you, take hints from the universe, because universe is actually wanting to help you. So that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.